Okay, you guys, real quick before I jump into today's vlog, imagine buying your car, saving, working towards this goal, working hard toward this goal, buying your car, and 1 week later after buying your car, somebody stole it. Just picture that. Just imagine that. No, I am saying that because that's what's happened to one of my subscribers. And if you guys were in Jamaica 2019 when I came and do the meet and greet at Delaveaus, if you were at Delaveaus, then you would have possibly remember this face. I won't post a picture of her, but her name is Stacy, and she bought a car a few weeks ago. Got the car. 1 week after she bought the car, somebody stole the car from her gate in the middle of the night. I can't imagine how she feels. She's been having just a hard time accepting the fact that she worked so hard for her car, buy it, and they stole it. So I am telling you, I'm sharing this with you guys because you might never know. You might see something, or somebody might see something, and you don't even know that this is the car that don't belongs to whoever have it. So I am going to post a photo of the car right now. And if you happen to see this car, call the police station or the number on this photo. It doesn't matter where in Jamaica you are, and if you don't want to call the police station, message me and I'll pass on the message. But I mean, you might never know. You might just see something and share it with somebody, share it with a family member, with a friend. Just spread the word. It might just happen that Stacy might be able to get her car back. This would mean so much to me if you share it. If you're in Jamaica, in our 14 parishes, wherever you are, look out for this car. Please, 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 please keep an eye out for this car. Even if you see a car like it and you don't sure if it's it, because I'm sure they're probably gonna change the plate and change some things or whatever the case may be, snap a photo, send it to her, let she do a follow-up, let she get the police to do a follow-up or something. But please guys, I'm asking you, this would mean so much to me, especially because we just bought our first we just bought our new car, and I couldn't imagine a few weeks later somebody steal our car. So I mean, we are all Jamaicans. Let's rally together and try and spread the word about Stacy's car. It would mean so much. And I mean, let's see if we can spread the word as much as possible. Stacy, I hope you miraculously one way or another get your car back. And what is wrong with us as people? Why is it somebody works so hard for everything that they have and you just think you should just get up and take it? Like, how do you sleep at night? Like, how in God's name do you sleep at night knowing that you take somebody's thing that is not yours, something that they work hard for day in, day out to achieve what they have, and you are going to take it? I just don't get it. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna also insert the picture again at the end of the vlog, and you guys might just happen to see it drive past you or see it park up somewhere. Contact me, contact Stacy, contact the police, let them know. Please, love you guys. Go and enjoy the rest of today's vlog.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm just getting back in from a long, productive, amazing, fulfilling day. I'll share all the goodness with you guys tomorrow, so you don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's vlog is be a really nice vlog with lots of exciting announcements, right honey? Anyway, you guys, we are back home. I just got pizza from the supermarket with everybody. So let's get ready. Come. Say hello. You want the donut? Say hello first before you get your donut.
I am hungry.
Sarah, say hello to Fem. Tyler, it's time for the supermarket haul. Breathe. Yes, you win. Okay, you'll have strawberries when you find the strawberries, okay? We have dinner. This is our new favorite dinner. Yes? You find it already?
Sarah, what is that?
Pizza! And what is that? What is that? What is that?
Strawberry Sarah.
Strawberries for the kiddos.
Yummy.
Let me take off my jacket while I'm doing this haul. Tyler, I am sorry, there was no caramel yogurt that you want at the supermarket today. So I bring you your next favorite, chocolate.
I like the some foods that is not common in my yogurt. Like this one is coconut, the other one
Babe loves this one, so
is kiwi, the peel one. I like this one. This is 3 of my favorites.
He has 3 favorites and I bring him his 3 favorites.
Yeah, remember which one you used to love at first?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. I think the peach one, I like the peach one.
You're what? What bowl? Oh, you want the strawberry bowl?
Yeah.
The sundae.
You have some big yogurt for breakfast?
You have to do the supermarket. How? Why is it donut time? No, put it there. You don't want anymore?
Just make it different from mine.
Hold on. Tyler will have 2 little bites and your own have 1 big bite.
Papa, all this is the black chocolate.
Donut fight.
It's brown.
Donut war. I already ate my donut. It was so good. It was the first time tasting the lemon donut and it was absolutely delicious. It's watermelon season and I'm back with watermelon. I'm excited about that.
Chicken is a must for the Jamaican wife.
Clack, clack, clack. Come to the chicken dance.
Chicken every day.
Every day. If you had to eat one type of protein every day, what would it be? That's the question for
Well,
today.
chicken is also because it's the cheapest of all of them.
Not because it's cheapest, I'm just saying if you had to eat
If
one
I eat
protein.
beef every day at the end of the month, I'll be broken.
No, but don't think about the price. If you were to eat one protein every day, what would it be? Regardless of the way how it's cooked. Would it be salmon? Would it be chicken? Would it be beef? For me, it would be chicken.
I like beef.
Would it be beef? You love beef that much?
I like the same. I like the
Come, Tyler, come
I like when they're all sharing.
Come around here when you talk.
Sarah, what is that?
Go to your step.
Broccoli for who? For
If you were
Sarah.
to eat a meat every day, what would it be?
Salmon.
Salmon? Tyler is salmon.
Raclette.
Babe, that's not me. Sarah, if you were to eat a meat every day, what would it be?
Like I said, beef.
It's beef.
Sarah, what is that?
I still don't find any corn. I don't know what's going on. No corn at the supermarket. The battery gonna die. Wait. Tell them what it is.
Sarah?
Tyler been asking for chips, so here goes chips.
Mama.
What is this? Salmon. And so
What is that? Sarah, what is this? Interesting answer.
What it is? What?
Maîtresse? No, what is that?
What is this?
It's chou Bruxelles.
Brussels sprout.
I like that. Me, I like that.
You like Brussels sprout?
Of course.
Okay. In my head, I thought you hated it. Don't do that. What are you doing?
Sarah,
That?
c'est comme ça?
Well,
Maïs.
why you hate it? Where you ate Brussels sprout? Who gave you Brussels sprout? No, that's not true. When? That's not true. No, that's not true. I haven't bought Brussels sprout in years.
Apples.
Sorry.
gonna bake tie crepe. You're so right. That's tie crepe.
So,
Let's make tie.
not today, my love.
It's a-
It's time today.
Avocado, the avocado I normally take wasn't there
What
today.
is that, Sarah?
Hi, hurry.
Mushroom.
Mushroom for who?
Mushroom.
Mama.
Papa.
What is mushroom in French?
Papa.
What is mushroom in French?
C'est
C'est quoi ça en français?
un champignon.
Bravo,
bravo,
Madeleine.
bravo.
Champignon.
Bravissimo.
Butter.
We have Pringles. That's the Pringle you just buy.
Yup.
So where's half of it?
Ask your son. But look at it. Chocolate milk for Sarah.
I take mine. Wow, it's mommy.
Sarah, I got the meat you want tie
Not
like.
that much.
Yeah, Sarah like.
It's porkies. It's pork. Filet mignon. Tyler, Sarah love this when I saute it with barbecue sauce.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
You make barbecue.
I thought about it today when I saw the barbecue things and I said, just give it a few more weeks. And then I'll buy barbecue.
You didn't take it?
No.
Oh. Should I want to take it back?
No, I didn't take it today. I said, let's give it until probably next week or 2 more weeks.
Okay.
More apples. Blue for the toilet. Oh. Tyler, I don't hear your snack bag.
Mama, you take shoeless?
We have the green juice.
Pourquoi?
We have the green juice
Is
here.
this one broken?
Yes.
That's okay, we'll put in back the old one. Again, all my ingredients for green juice except cucumber. I asked the guy at the supermarket and he said there's a problem with delivery of cucumber. Yes, Sarah. Mama is talking. You say, excuse me, Mama.
Excuse me, Mama.
What do you want, Sarah?
I have strawberry
Please.
please.
You just want
What's that?
strawberry, right?
See, orange juice and apple juice.
And what is this, Sarah? What is this, Sarah?
Pourquoi tu les as tous mis par terre?
Coconut water.
Strawberry.
Comfort for Sarah and Tyler.
Oh, yay!
Pepe! Pepe!
Yay!
Biscuit for Styler is E.
Is E, but last week I get the one with black chocolate and he hated it,
Black
so he
chocolate should be
claimed.
D or C.
So I got the brown chocolate for him this
We
week.
have Nutella for Tyler.
And in this bag I have apple juice, orange juice, and
Cookies
strawberry
and...
juice. for the
Please,
kids.
it's Mama.
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
Crepe for
Tyler.
no.
Sarah.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah. You want strawberry? She wants the best
C'est quoi ça, Sarah? It's green bean pour Sarah.
Hurry, Sarah, paper, scissors.
Sarah.
Get that in your hand.
We have the fish as usually. The fish that doesn't look like a fish.
But it is fish.
And what will be a supermarket haul without the cheese?
Oh no.
Ask her.
No,
What we're
no.
gonna do with the raclette cheese? We're gonna leave it one here. And sausage.
No, we can't eat it one day. We just need to take it out, make it out. We have potato. We just need to buy some meat. We have meat in the freezer or just
No, just the cheese.
the cheese.
No, just the cheese.
Come, let me see if Tyler gonna warp your skin. Back up. Tyler, back up from the oven.
Okay, if you... What is this big? Is the... Yeah. Only Papa can do that, not you. Alright, let's see.
Let's go for rock, paper, scissors.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Hey, that's nice. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Papa. If Papa win this, you win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come. It's me have strength for come because they're going to kick your butt. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mama,
You
can you
can
try?
That wasn't smart at all. That wasn't smart.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
7-3-1.
You gonna turn it?
Yes. 3-1.
I deserve a slap for that. Come.
I want it back. Hard or not hard?
No, you can't do that.
Ah!
I didn't touch you.
You waste too much time. Anyway, you guys, that was so much fun. Supermarket haul is done. Now we are going to go and eat some pizza. Please don't give my daughter her strawberry. She's
Get your strawberry.
here. Papa gonna give you strawberry. Watch some glass.
Oh,
Anyway, you guys.
juice.
See you guys soon. Yes. Dinner is ready. This looks so good. I like to eat it when it's hot, so I'm not staying with you guys. And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. No.